Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzing Pattaya, the show where I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hey guys, welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzing Pattaya. I'm Bier and today I am outside Big C on Pattaya Thai, and we're going to be talking about just some random words and sentences you could use to bar girls.
Okay, Bier, so I'm thinking about I'm in a bar and I want to flirt with somebody. Is there a particular word I need to use for flirting?
Okay, this is funny. So flirt is jeep. Jeep. So I'm trying to flirt with someone, that's jeep. But what happens in Thailand is it's different because they actually ask for permission to flirt with you. So, I know.
Can I flirt with you? Jeep.
Yeah, so it'll be like, jeep, dai mai? Jeep, dai mai?
Jeep, dai mai means can I flirt with you?
Pretty much, yeah, but I mean, if you're cool enough, don't ask for permission.
Okay, all right, I've never heard that, but that's brilliant. So jeep, dai mai means that the girl wants to flirt with me or vice versa.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, okay, excellent. Now, one of the things I really don't like is when I sit in a bar and I'm having a beer, they keep picking up my beer to see if it's empty. And I want to say, look, you're really annoying. How would I say to them, not you, but it's annoying?
Yeah, don't say that you are annoying, just say annoying, which is na lam khan.
Na lam khan.
Na lam khan. Yeah, and then just like, oof, like that.
And that means you're annoying?
Then, yeah, it just means annoying.
And is that kind of key to like know that they need to walk away?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, so na lam kang means go away kind of, but you're annoying.
But in some circumstances, they will probably fight with you.
Okay, excellent. Now, I'd like to just put a disclaimer in for Buzzing Pattaya here. If you do use na lam kang and you start fighting, that is not our responsibility. Okay, and also, I mean, one of the things we like to ask about is language. How would I say to you, can you speak English?
พูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม
พูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม
Perfect, yes, yeah.
And that means, can you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, and what about if I want to ask, can you speak Thai? Well, not me personally, obviously I know Thai people can speak Thai, but I'm talking about if they want to ask me, how would they ask me if I can speak Thai?
So you just change the Anglit to Thai and it will become พูดไทยได้ไหม
พูดไทยได้ไหม
Yeah.
or พูดภาษาไทยได้ไหม
Yeah, พูดภาษาไทยได้ไหม
Okay.
It's up to you, yeah.
Okay, brilliant. And obviously, if I ask somebody, can you speak English, and they can, I would like to know if they went to school to learn. So how would I say to you, do you go to school to learn?
ไปโรงเรียนเหรอ
By Long Lian Law.
Yep, law is like, it's like a question, it's just amplifying that question. So ไปโรงเรียนเหรอ ไปโรงเรียนเหรอ
ไปโรงเรียน
But it's with the R, don't forget that it's with the R.
Okay, all right, brilliant. So let's just recap then. So first thing I want to ask you is, can I flirt with you?
จีบได้ไหม
Jeep dai mai. You're annoying.
น่ารำคาญ
Nam lang khan.
น่ารำคาญ
Na lam khan.
Yep.
Okay. Can you speak English?
พูดอังกฤษได้ไหมพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม
Okay. And can you speak Thai?
พูดไทยได้ไหมพูดภาษาไทยได้ไหม
Okay. And lastly, did you go to school?
ไปโรงเรียนเหรอ
By Long Lian Law.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant.
Perfect, guys, that's me for today. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notifications of our next episodes. You can comment below any questions that you have, or you could go to our Facebook group, which the link is in the description below. And if you would like to support our channel, you could also buy me a coffee, and that is also in the link below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.